which has ensuite facilities. Getting down will be the biggest challenge of her little life. She can't fly yet, and the only way to reach the water is to jump. If she misses the ocean, even by a few feet, she'll hit the rocks below. Adults jump with chicks for support. Arctic foxes wait for casualties. At the top of the colony, the little chick faces the scariest jump of all. Dad jumps with her. Her feathers cushion the impact just enough. But making it to the ocean does not guarantee safety. A glaucous gull. Gulls squabble, giving time for reinforcements to arrive. Neighbors from high and low pile in too. They're all in it together.